Hello guys, today I will show you how to swap faces in Photoshop. Firstly, select the face. Then press Ctrl C and paste it here. Adjust it. Duplicate the second layer and lock it to see the difference later. Now select the first layer and select the face. Go to Image, Adjustments and select Match Color. Select the face layer as the source. For the layer, select the background layer. Go to Select, Modify and choose Contrast and make the amount 5 pixels. Select the background layer and press on Delete Bottom. Now as you see, the face of the first man is deleted. Now let's blend the face and the man. Select both layer by holding Ctrl, then go to Edit, Auto Blend Layers and choose Stack Images option. And we are done. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.